So here's our two rigs. So we got a scx24 gladiator. Check that out first. We got a retractable keychain winch on there. Okay. A little cheapy Amazon rims. We clip the tires every other lug. They do pretty good. We left the phones in this one. Hey, settle down. Need some wheel wells for in here. Velcro in the front. It's a 3M out Velcro, I think. Works pretty good. It's all styrene, super glued together. Ain't the prettiest, but holds up good. Decased the ASC. Soldered some leads on it. Covered it all in conformal coating. Did a drop dead on the back. Cut the windows out. That's pretty good. Waiting on some metal links and steering links for it. We got the Z-Jet that's built here. It's on a deadbolt. Yeah. It's got TSL swampers on it. Yeah. RC 4-wheel drive wagon wheels. Bumpers are all styrene. I just made those today. Still needs to get painted. It's a really nice body. It's a 20th scale. It's like some special edition from Chrysler back in the day. They gave them to employees. 1995 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Lights work. Off the controller. Velcro also. Still working on the fender wells, so they gotta get painted, fixed up a little bit, but they're going. Just like to cover up the sides so you don't see no wires or nothing. That'll all get painted also. It's just styrene. Most of it's screwed together to the frame. A little glue on the fender wells. The battery's got some Velcro on it, holding it down in there. Same thing with the AC, decased it, soldered on some leads, covered it in conformal coating. Got enough room in here. I'll put the ratchet strap winch in there too. Still on the stock hinge. Yeah, clips on real good. So there's the chucks for now. Pretty much done. Just waiting on little stuff, metal links. We got some Emax servos coming for them. And yeah, I'll probably added some more brass down low on this one. It's a little top heavy now.